Hey, and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix if you are experiencing the Snapchat support code C14A error. So there are several steps you can take to try and resolve the issue, and here are some troubleshooting methods. So first, you will need to restart the Snapchat. So just need to close the app completely and then reopen it. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen if you are using an iPhone or newer, and then press square icon on Android to view the app switcher. Then swipe the Snapchat app away, or swipe it off the screen to close it, and then open the app again and see if the error persists. Next is to check your internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error is related to your network connection. Next is to update Snapchat. So make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device, because outdated versions may encounter compatibility issues or bugs. So just visit your device's app store if you're using Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates for Snapchat. Next is to clear app cache, and this is for Android only. So if you're using Snapchat on an Android device, you can try clearing the app cache. So you'll need to go to your device's settings, and then apps or application manager, and then find Snapchat in the list and then tap on it. Look for the option to clear the cache and select it. So again, restart Snapchat and check if the error is resolved. Next and lastly is to reinstall Snapchat. So if the issue persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. So this can help to resolve any potential software conflicts or corrupted files. So just delete the app from your device, go to the App Store, and then reinstall Snapchat. Log in again and see if the error continues. So that is all for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.